Action.
Okay. One of the most important principles in physics is conservation of momentum. Conservation of momentum comes into play when two objects are colliding with initial velocities and then have final velocities. The associated equation for this would be m1v1i, so first object with initial velocity, plus m2v2i for the second object with velocity. And then when they collide, they have different final velocities. So going back to m1 v1 final plus m2 v2. And this comes into play in Superman when Superman is running across the road and gets shot with bullets that appear to hit him at the same velocity at which they leave, which does not obey conservation of momentum.
Oh.
Okay, so if we have Superman and a machine gun firing bullets at him, we can see that there is a defying of the conservation of momentum. Okay, so if the bullets we can assume to be are 0.025 kilograms, traveling about 370 meters per second to the left, and Superman walks around a normal walking pace of 1.35 meters per second, and we assume that he's about 100 kilograms. Our initial momentum is 125.075 Newton meters. Afterward, however, the bullets ricochet off and go backward about the same velocity, and so our final momentum equation will be the same mass, 0.025 for the bullets, times 370 meters per second. This time it'll be a plus because it's going the same direction as Superman now. 1.35 times 100 for Superman, and that will give us a final momentum of 144.025 Newton meters.
Action.
So as we saw before, the object of Superman and the bullet are going in opposite directions, so we have the difference of signs. But in the second equation, they have the same sign as they're now moving in the same direction. But as we calculated the momentum before and after, and there was no net force, so no impulse on the momentum, we can see the momentum is not conserved, and there's an inaccuracy in the film.
Whoa.
Just a reminder, guys, that all the stats for Superman's weight will be linked in the description below from supermanfacts.org, and this video was sponsored by Expo. Thank you for watching.